morning, nursery children. Hope all of you are fine. Today in English writing, I just show you how to write from capital letter Q to capital letter W. Okay. So children, this is your English copy. You have 4 lines in your English copy. I'm just going to show you how to write these letters. So this is capital letter Q. Children, all of you look at the board. So start from the first line, then come down to the third line, then again go up to the first line and then give a curve. So this is your capital letter Q. So once again I show you. Start with the first line, come down to the third line, again go up to the first line, make it a circle and again give a curve. This is your capital letter Q. Now children, capital letter R. So Q for quill, then R for rose. So start from the first line, give a straight line, then again come down to the second line, make a half circle and touch this line and draw one straight line. This is your capital letter R. So draw one straight line from first line to the third line, then make a half circle, touch this line, then again come down, make a straight line and come down to the third line. This is your capital letter R. Now capital letter S. So children, S for sun. So make a half circle, start from first line, make a half circle, come down to the second line, then again make a half circle opposite side and come down to the third line. Okay, this is your capital letter S. So once again I will show you. Start from the first line, make a half circle, come down to the second line, then again make a half circle opposite side, then touch the third line and again this becomes capital letter S. So S for sun. Then T. Draw one straight line in the first line, then from the center draw once again a straight line. This becomes your capital letter T. So once again draw one straight line to the first line and from the center one straight line draw to the third line. This becomes capital letter T. So T for tree. Now we will come to capital letter U. So start from the first line, come down to the third line, again go up to the first line. This becomes capital letter U. Then start from the first line, come down to the third line, then again go up to the first line. This becomes capital letter U. U for umbrella. Then V. Capital letter V. So once again start from first line, make a slanting line to the third line, then again go up to the first line, make a slanting line and go up to the first line. This becomes capital letter V. Then again start from first line, make a slanting line, come down to the third line, then again make a slanting line, go up to the first line. This becomes capital letter V. V for van. Now last, capital letter W. W for watch. So children, start from the first line, come down to the third line, then again go up to the first line, come down to the third line, then again go up to the first line. This is your capital letter W. So start from the first line, come down to the third line, go up, straight up to the first line, then again come down to the third line and again go up to the first line. So this completes your W, capital letter W. So children, this is your today's work. Q for quill, R for rose, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch. So this is your second unit test portion. Children, practice this properly. Write very neatly in your English copy. Okay children, love you. Stay safe. Take care. Bye. Good day.